Welcome back, future medicos. CMC Ludhiana has started registration process for category 2G applicants for both MBBS and BDS degree programs. In this video, I'm going to explain what you should do if you are interested in applying for category 2G, what is category 2G, who is eligible, and all the details we will cover in this video. I have done two previous videos on CMC Ludhiana where I have explained in very detail what are the various categories and how to apply, what are the documents need to be submitted. All these details have been given in the previous videos. I have also given the cutoff marks for each category for MBBS admission. So I recommend you to go and visit those videos if you have not seen them before. So I will leave a link to those videos in the description below, as well as right now you will see on the top right hand corner a link to the videos. So this is the number of seats available for MBBS, that is 75 seats are available. And now we are going to focus only on category 2G, which contains 3 seats in CMC Ludhiana. So this registration is only for the 3 seats under category 2G. Now, what is category 2G? Category 2 is called Christian minority candidates with service commitment. Specifically in category 2G, actually still it is a Christian minority candidates, but the service commitment is with CMC Ludhiana College itself and its outreach centers. So this sponsorship is directly by the college. If you visit the website, now you can see the college sponsorship application form available for you to download. So what you should do actually? So basically you need to download the application, print the application, that is the college sponsorship application, fill the application, scan it and email to cmcmissionsoffice@gmail.com. Now let's go and look at how the application looks like and what you need to fill in the application. So this is the application. So the application you have to send it to the director, Christian Medical College, Ludhiana, Punjab. So the application goes like this. Dear sir, I'm applying for the MBBS or BDS course. So you can apply for either of those, or you can apply for both. For the academic session 2020 at Christian Medical College, Ludhiana, in the Christians with service commitment category, category 2G. So this is only applicable for category 2G. Toward this, I wish to be endorsed by the Christian Medical College, Ludhiana. I hereby undertake that if I am selected, I promise to fulfill the service commitment to work in the Christian Medical College, Ludhiana, or any of its outreach centers for a period of 2 years after MBBS. So if you are getting admission for MBBS, you need to do a service for 2 years after completion of the MBBS course. Whereas if you are doing BDS, the service commitment is only 1 year. So depending on whether you are doing MBBS or BDS, the service commitment differs. Right? So then you need to sign signature of the candidate and signature of the parent. Now, what are the details needed? Full name of the candidate, father's name, mother's name, NEET roll number, BFUHS ID. So what is BFUHS? Baba Farid University. So this you may not have it right now, so you can leave it blank. You also have to register with Baba Farid University later stages. The Punjab counseling is done by Baba Farid University. So in addition to submitting the application to CMC, you also have to register with Baba Farid University. So once you register and you get an ID, you need to intimate that to CMC, and this has to be informed to CMC Ludhiana registrar@gmail.com. Then complete postal address, email ID, state of domicile, phone number, date of birth, gender, church, duration of membership, date of baptism, And please note that if you are applying under categories 2A to 2F, you do not need to fill this form. Actually, this is only for category 2G. Print, fill, scan, and email this pro forma. Okay, that's what I have told you already. So later, when the registration form for Bible test is available, because you also need to take a Bible test, then you need to send all the details by speed post. That is, send this printed pro forma. So keep these safe. Now you are only scanning and sending it by email, but later you also need to send the hard copy. You need to send this printed pro forma along with registration form for Bible test, church membership certificate, and baptism certificate to the registrar CMC Ludhiana, Punjab by speed post or courier. So this you can do once the notification for Bible test is available. And once you submit the application to BFUHS, that is Baba Farid University, that also you need to take a printout of it. And then that also you need to send it to registrar CMC Ludhiana. Okay. And please note that you need to quote the NEET roll number in all your correspondence. Then what is the last date for this? 30th July is the last date for submitting this pro forma. So all the sponsorship applications will be accepted only until 30th July 2020. So make sure that you submit this pro forma by email before 30th July 2020. And then depending on when the Baba Farid application opens, when the Bible test notification comes from CMC Ludhiana, accordingly you can fill the other details and provide to CMC Ludhiana. I hope that gives you the complete details about submitting the application for category 2G to CMC Ludhiana. If you have any doubts, please leave your comments in the comments below. And I have collected this information from CMC Ludhiana website. I will provide a link to the CMC Ludhiana website in the description below. You can check it out. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me. I hope to see you in some other video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.